Trying to find a self-cleaning litter box in 2026 can feel like sorting through the same machine in 5 different shells. So, in this review, I'm ranking 5 popular models from weakest to best, based on safety, odor control, ease of use, and how trustworthy the overall package looks. In last place, I'd put the PARUUNTYS unit. It does cover the basics, and on paper it looks decent, but compared with the others here, it feels more like a generic smart litter box than a well-rounded standout. You get an open-top design, a large waste bin, app control, and a sensor setup that pauses the cycle if your cat comes close. That open layout can help nervous cats who hate crawling into a dome. And the big entry area is easier for larger cats than some tighter enclosed models. But there are trade-offs. It has limited brand reputation, limited independent review coverage, and narrower litter compatibility than some rivals. It also does not play as nicely with tofu or crystal litter, which matters if you do not want to be locked into a more specific litter type. This one makes the most sense for shoppers who want a lower-profile open-top box with smart features and a large waste bin, but do not need a more proven premium option. And just so you know, links to all the products in this review at the best price are in the description under the video. Next up is the Fumoi model. It sits a little higher because it offers a strong spec sheet for the money, and it checks most of the boxes people want in an automatic litter box. It gives you a large drum, a sealed waste area, an app support, automatic and manual cleaning modes, and safety features that stop operation when a cat enters. Compared with the PARUUNTYS model, it feels a bit more flexible in daily use, and it also supports both clumping litter and silica litter, which can make setup easier. Still, this one has the same basic issue as a lot of off-brand smart litter boxes. The smart features depend on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, the machine is fairly bulky, and long-term trust is harder to judge because there is not as much deep review coverage as you get with more established names. It is solid on paper, but it does not feel as proven. I'd look at this one if you want a big capacity box with app control and want to keep costs more reasonable than premium brands. And before we move on, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. In the middle of the ranking is the Cumrige M2. This is another value-focused automatic box, but it edges ahead because the overall setup feels a bit more balanced for multi-cat homes. The big selling points are the roomy interior, the large waste bin, app control, and a quiet mode for nighttime use. If you have more than one cat, that longer claimed gap between emptying sessions can be a real quality of life upgrade. Compared with the Fumoi and PARUUNTYS boxes, this one looks slightly more practical for busy households. But again, the limits are familiar. It is still a bulky unit, it still depends on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for the smart side, and brand trust is still behind the top names in this lineup. In my experience, that matters with litter boxes more than almost any other pet gadget, because this is something you want working every single day without drama. So this is a good fit for people who want a large capacity self-cleaning box for one or more cats and care more about value than brand reputation. But if you want a stronger safety setup and a more refined design, the next two are more convincing. Runner-up goes to the Neakasa. This is where the lineup starts to feel more polished and better thought out, not just loaded with features. What stands out here is the open-top design paired with a stronger safety system. It is easier for bigger cats, easier for cautious cats, and easier for owners who do not want a cramped entrance. Compared with the cheaper open-top and generic smart models, this one feels more refined, and the sensor package is more confidence-inspiring. It is also fairly quiet, which matters when the box is running at night. The reason it does not take first place is simple. Odor control is good, but not as aggressive as the best enclosed design in this group. And it works best with clumping granular litter instead of being broadly flexible. The waste bin is also smaller than some of the 15-liter rivals, so heavy multi-cat homes may empty it sooner. This is the one I'd recommend to people with larger cats, shy cats, or anyone who wants an open-top design from a more established brand. And if you want the strongest all-around odor control, the top pick is the one to watch. At number 1, I'd pick the PetSnowy. It is not the cheapest and it is not the biggest for oversized cats, but as a complete product, it looks the most polished and the most carefully designed. Here's why it lands on top. You get strong odor control, a sealed waste system, app support, multi-cat suitability, a built-in step to help with litter tracking, and a cleaning process that is designed to stay hands-off for longer stretches. Compared with the Neakasa, it does a better job containing smell. Compared with the lower-cost boxes, it feels more premium in both design and day-to-day convenience. There are a few catches. The entry is tighter than the open-top Neakasa, so very large cats may be less comfortable here. It also sits in a premium price tier, and some owners may not care for the fragrance-based part of the odor control setup. So it is not the most universal choice, even if it is the strongest overall pick. This one is best for owners who care most about odor control, cleaner waste handling, and a more finished premium experience. If your cat fits the size range and you want the most complete package here, this is the box I'd put at the top of the list. Check the description under the video to see the top options and compare current prices. And if this review helped you narrow it down, like the video, subscribe to the channel and take a look at the links below.